Hi guys, so today's video is going to be my room tour. I'm really excited. It's not fully done, that's why I've been like putting this off, but I thought if I don't do it now, then I'm never gonna do it. So I'm just gonna do it because I know you guys have been waiting on it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and let's just get started. So my door is kind of difficult to open. But this is what my room looks like whenever you walk in. It's huge. I was lucky enough to get the master. We just flipped a coin and I do pay more, so it's not like, you know, it's unfair or anything. But yeah, so I have the big room and it was kind of hard to decorate because it is so large. Like this is bigger than my room at home, I think I'd say. I guess we'll start with this. So these side tables, both of them are from Home Goods, which this is like the exact same side table I have in my room back at home. It's a little bit different of a color, but I love the setup of it because it has two drawers. So like this one's just like my junk drawer that I just put random things that I would need at night, or like a lint roller or something during the day. And then this drawer is my technology drawer where I have like, usually my cameras are in here and all my SD cards and stuff. And then up here I have a picture frame that doesn't have a picture in it because I need to print out some pictures. I have this little plant, all my Polaroids I need to figure out where to put, and then this candle that's really cute, and then this pressed flower. And then above my bed I have this "In the morning when I rise, give me Jesus" sign. I got that from, I think, Home Goods as well. And then this is my most favorite thing in my room. This is from my friend Stephanie's, what do you call that? Oh no. Etsy. Okay, this is from my friend Stephanie's Etsy. I will link it down below. She does the most beautiful handmade things. I do not know how to pronounce the name of her store, so I'll put it on the screen right here. But she was so sweet and sent it to me, and I just love her so much. So definitely check it out. They have the cutest pieces for home decor and stuff like that. So, and then I just have these lights, which are the same ones from home that I have, and then my actual same headboard from my house. We just brought it here because we didn't have time to make one. But I get questions all the time, and me and my dad did make this. We got these little shiplap things from Home Depot, and then we just like put them together, I guess. I don't know. He's a handyman. I just kind of stood there. I didn't really do anything. And then my bedding. And then my bedding is from Urban Outfitters. I love it. It's so simple. I thought it was white. It's actually off-white. It's like ivory, just if you were wondering. So my like little things underneath are white, so it looks a little goofy, but it's fine. And my headboard's white too. But these decorative pillows right here, these two are from Urban. These came with the bedding, obviously. And then this is from Dormify. I think it's really cute. It's kind of the same color, but I'm a fan of it. And then my sheets are like back here. This is just like my regular color. These are from Target. I'm just laughing. You're doing amazing with your videography skills. I wish you guys could see Emily in the back. Circling around. It's great. Anyway, I did not know how much sheets are. I spent like 50 bucks on sheets. It's ridiculous. Anyway. And then this side table is the same. I just keep my books that I am reading over here, which I am finishing up this Single, Dating, Engaged, Married one. I'm on page 177. And then I just started this Welcome to Adulting Survival Guide. I read the Welcome to Adulting book, and Jonathan Pokluda, just came out with this literally on Tuesday, and it's Friday. And it's just a daily devotional, so I'm really excited to actually like do this every single day. I started it yesterday. And then I have this really cute, what is this called? I have this really cute picture frame. The actual like frame is from, where do we get all of our stuff from? This is from the Container Store, and then the little like wording inside of it is my friend. She does little like lettering cards. This card is only like $3 or maybe $5, and I had her write this lyric. It says, "Today's a waste if I don't love you more than I did yesterday." I changed the lyrics around a little bit so it wouldn't look so wordy. This delicious smelling candle from Altered State. It's the smell of the store. It's Sanctuary, and it smells amazing. I've yet to burn it this year though. And then I have these two frames. I got the prints off of Etsy as well, and then I just got the frames from Joann, so it turned out to be super cheap, which is good because prints are very expensive. And then this little area over here I think is my favorite area in the entire room. So this basket is from the Container Store. This blanket is from Dormify. And then this blanket in here is from Dormify. This rug is from Urban Outfitters. I don't know if it's meant to be like a bathroom rug or just like a little rug, but I got it from there. And then this big, I was about to say picture frame. This big mirror is from HomeGoods. I've had so many questions about it, and that's where it's from. I'm not sure if they have any more, but they did have a ton of colors whenever I went. And then this little pot is from Urban, but then the plant inside of it is from Hobby Lobby, and I got it 50% off, so it was $10. And then this, well, that, so that little lamp thing is from JCPenney's, I'm pretty sure, so. Yeah, this is my favorite little corner. I think it's just so cozy. And then we get to my desk, which, let me tell you, this took me so long to put together. Oh my gosh, it was awful. But it's from Target, and it shouldn't take you long. I just am not good with that stuff, so it took me a while. And right here I have these two little, what are these called? Ember colored glass containers. And usually flowers are in this big one right here, but they died. And then I have Hannah Ashton's Dream Achieve workbook right here that she came out with. I'll link this down below too. It's like a planner. It's really cool, and she's another YouTuber, and she's super sweet. Then I have a plant right here, and I have another plant right here, and another propagating it. The plant is propagating. It's the same one I had last year, but that's a new stem. Because my other one died, so I stuck it in water again. Then I have this from, I want to say HomeGoods as well. This is like normally not right there, but I didn't know where else to put it because usually my Bible's just floating around the house. And then I have this cute little like leather looking notebook. And then this is from Hobby Lobby. It is the cutest little mirror. I thought it'd be too small, but it's actually the perfect size. And then inside my desk is where I keep all of my makeup and just like other things. So this is my everyday makeup. I have my 2 palettes that I brought with me. Then I have my pens and pencils right here, and then an extra notebook because I'm about to be done with that one. And then just like all the random other little things that I need for school that I would normally keep out on the desk, but it doesn't look as cute, so I put it in there. And then this little poof thing is also from HomeGoods. It's a little pricey. I remember not wanting to pay it. I think it's like $50, which I guess really isn't that bad. I don't know, but I guess I was just spending a lot of money and I didn't feel like it. So then we get to this area, which would be really cute if this cord wasn't there. I'm not quite sure how to fix that yet. I'm thinking maybe I can run an extension cord and then push it like back there. Not really sure. But I have this really big TV. I got a great deal on it, and I sold my other TV, so I only spent like 50 bucks on it essentially, which I would say is a win. Then I have this cute little plant, what is this called? Flynn the what? No, Flynn the fiddle leaf. That's what it is. This is a fiddle leaf. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's fake. I got it on sale. It's 50% off. I actually think the sticker, yep, it's still on there. And then this pot is from HomeGoods. I did that so it would be taller, because like if this was just like this, it wouldn't look right. So that's why I paid more for the pot. And then I have this really big mirror that is from Urban Outfitters. You can get it in multiple places. It's by the brand Umbra, but it's the same one I had in my dorm last year, and I just didn't know where to put it. So I thought this would work. It kind of opens up the room a little bit more and adds in some light. And then over here we have these 2 little shelves. These are from Urban Outfitters as well. I have this Polaroid right here, this little water for my plants over there, and then this little fake plant that, I don't know, I'd say all my fake plants are from either HomeGoods or TJ Maxx or Marshalls or something. Then you walk over here, and this is my bathroom and my closet. So this is like the best part of my room. I love it. So you walk in, and this is what you see. My shower should have a door. It's coming, but it's not here yet. And it's like a really nice big walk-in shower, and I just take a shower in here. It's really great. And then you come over here, and this is my sink. This sink is leaking, so it's like stained blue, and I don't know how to fix that. And then I just have like this cute little like thing. This is from HomeGoods. This is from HomeGoods, and then these jars are from Goodwill. I got them for like $1 each. No, less than $1. I spent a total of $2.30, and I think I got like 4 or 5 jars. So I don't know how much that is, but And then in this drawer, I have all of just like my everyday stuff. So my toothbrush, toothpaste, retainers, makeup wipes, all of like my headbands and hair ties, and then clips and stuff like that. And then in this one, I have all of my hair tools, my blow dryer straightener, and then my brushes and stuff. And then under here is like just the rest of my girly stuff, the rest of my makeup, my chapsticks, and then hair stuff. And then in this one is just like towels and lotions and stuff. I don't really need to show you guys that. Then I have my towels and my laundry basket. My laundry basket is from Home Goods. And then these signs are all from Hobby Lobby. I got them 50% off as well. I pretty much got everything on sale, which is super nice. And then I've got my bathroom in here. It's its own room, which this is from, I want to say maybe Dormify. No. Yeah, I don't know. Then you go over here. Oh, behind the door. I hung these myself. I'm really proud of it. These things. I used a screwdriver. Or no, like one of those drills. I used a drill. This has my robe and then like another robe, which this is from JCPenney. I had a ton of people ask on my Instagram. And then this, I don't know, I got it for Christmas. Probably Costco. That's where my mom gets everything. Or Sam's Club. Then this is my closet. I love my closet. It's so cool that I can literally fit a dresser in here. It's the best thing ever. So this dresser is from IKEA, and then this is from JCPenney. I thought this verse was kind of like relevant to a closet. She's clothed in strength and dignity. Anyway, so then I just have all my clothes over here. I'd rather like squeeze them and like leave this blank. I'm not really sure why. I just didn't know how to set this up. And then I have my dresses over here in the back. And then this thing is from Dormify. I love it because this opens up and you can put stuff in there, and this opens up and you can put earrings and bracelets and stuff like that. And then I just keep my perfume on top, and then this little thing, which is usually like where this goes. Then this little plant, which still has the tag on it, I'm so bad at that, is from Home Goods as well. And then over here from the Container Store, I kept this in my dorm last year and I just thought it worked in here. And I just keep really random stuff in there. Bathing suits, beanies, scarves, belts, all the random stuff. And then I have this little mirror just so I can try on my clothes and see what I look like. And then up here I have baskets. That's my school stuff. And then these are just random. That bag is all my other bags. That's just all my travel stuff. And then that is a studio light. Oh. This, the shoe rack is from, oh my goodness, what's that store called? Oh, it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. It was super cheap. And then behind there, I just keep all my purses and stuff. Oh, I didn't say where the carpet's from. Okay, this carpet is also from Urban Outfitters. I like it, but it's not, I thought it'd be a little bit more homey. I think I'm just a fuzzy carpet gal, but it's definitely cute. Like, it looks cute, no doubt. So anyway, that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I'll have everything, if I can find it, linked down below for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.